Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight. Major conglomerate PanJam Investment Limited trading in their shares here. Advised by the company, a connected party purchased a total of just over 4,000 shares, 4,375 shares on August 15th to be exact. Now, Sagicor Select Funds Limited updated NAV, that's the net asset values here for the two Sagicor Select Funds. That's Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial, and there's Manufacturing and Distribution. Now, these are the updated NAVs as at August 15th, 2022. Let's get going and talking about them. For the financial, just over 73 cents, not the market price, but the net asset value. Manufacturing and Distribution coming from $1.10, $1.12, closing here just over $1.07 per share. No major radiology company. Talk about the company really improving here. Expected they had some major changes in their top 10 shareholder list. Elite Diagnostic Limited reporting a 300% increase in their fourth quarter net profit. Huge results here by the company. 3 months ended June 30th, 2022, or the fourth quarter unaudited results for the company. Revenue also improved for the period, improving to $175.6 million versus $136.6 million year over year. That's a whopping 29% on the upside here. Earnings per share EPS jumped to 4 cents from 1 cent year over year. Talk about those efficiencies coming out, those gains by Elite Diagnostic, and net profit surged to $13.9 million versus $3.5 million. Now the annual numbers here, because that was the fourth quarter unaudited, so annual unaudited here, revenue $625 million with net profit overall $48.8 million. Talk about Elite Diagnostic there, improving their net margins, equating earnings per share overall for the annual unaudited numbers 14 cents. Now, Jetcon Corporation, continuing earnings reports improving, continuing the rebound for Jetcon itself. Second quarter revenues increasing by 21%. Jetcon talks about in their MD&A, management discussion analysis, they are rebounding compared to the last 2 years. They went through some issues. Getting to Sagicor Group now, or Sagicor Investments Jamaica overall. They come up with an advisory here. It's a big one. Sagicor keeps making moves in the market. It's a competitive financial landscape out there with NCB, Scotia, and so forth. But Sagicor Investments here completing the purchase of the client portfolio of Alliance Investment Management. They came up with the advisory before, but no, this is a done deal. Sagicor Group Jamaica states that they announced that it's a subsidiary. Sagicor Investments Jamaica has completed this deal, the purchase of the security dealer book of business. So it's not the company, but the book of business of Alliance Investment Management Limited, AIML, having satisfied and completed all the due diligence and the regulatory requirements. Sagicor states its intention, to purchase this client portfolio from April of this year. Now it's a done deal. On April 1st, the company had completed the purchase actually of 100% of the shares in Alliance Financial Services. Sometimes in the market, analysts mixed up those two deals. It was two separate deals, two separate companies. In the latter, which we're talking about tonight, it's the client book of the securities dealer. So AFSL is now fully enabled on the International MoneyGram platform. Sagicor makes it clear, two different things. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Life. Have a great evening.